Hello, we're going to show you how to sign up for VisaSync. Type VisaSync in your search engine and click on the page with the green icon. VisaSync is a platform that simplifies immigration processes for both candidates and companies. Click on Get Started for free. As you'll see, there are 3 subscription options. Today, we'll show you how to register with the free option. It includes a centralized dashboard, document management, visa tracking, and access to webinars and resources. Click on Start My Free Journey now. Enter your email and choose your preferred language: English, French, or Spanish. Enter your debit or credit card information, the expiration date, and the CVV code. The CVV is usually found on the back of your card. Don't forget to write your first and last name exactly as they appear on your card and select your country. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on Subscribe. Remember, no charges will be made since it's free. Check your email and click on Commencer mon voyage. In the email address field, type your email, and in the password field, enter the default password, Visa123 exclamation mark. Then click Sign In. For security reasons, you'll need to change your password. First, enter the current one, Visa123 exclamation mark. Then create a new one. It must include at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 number, 1 symbol, and 1 lowercase letter. With a minimum of 8 characters. Repeat it and click on Continue. On the left column, click on Profile. In the dashboard, you'll see your file number, ID, in this case, number 519, and the subscription type you selected, in this case, Basic. You'll also find status explanations. For example, if your profile is newly created, it will show stage number 1 new. Fill in your first name, last name, gender, exact date of birth, and passport number. Indicate your level of French, English, and Spanish as applicable: none, basic, intermediate, advanced, fluent, or native. Update your marital status: single/partner/married/widowed. Add your phone number along with the area code. Make sure your email and preferred language are correct. You can add a secondary email, phone number, and preferred language if you wish. Enter your full mailing address, street, city, region or state, postal code, and country. If you don't have a postal code, write 0000, click on Save, and refresh the page to check that all your information is correct. Now go to the Documents section. There, you'll upload all the required documents. In the top left, click plus Add. On the right, you'll see 3 fields, one for the document description, one to select the language, and the third to choose the document type. The available languages are English, French, Spanish, Arabic, or other. Then click Choose File. Select your PDF file, make sure it's upright, and click Save. Repeat this for each document. To upload your profile picture, it must be in JPG or PNG format. Select Logo as the document type. Refresh the page to confirm it's correctly uploaded. Now go to the CV section. Write a brief, clear, and concise professional introduction focused on your strengths. Then add your studies, training, and work experiences, making sure dates and locations match. Make sure they match the documents you previously uploaded. Once your interactive CV is complete, click Save. You can see how employers will view it by clicking CV Preview. Check your email in the coming days. Our AAI Global Canada team will review your profile to proceed to the next steps. You'll receive a notification with further instructions. If you have any questions, contact us at info@aaiglobal.ca.